Shalom. So we're going to do a reading comprehension about birds. Birds have several distinguishing features. They are warm-blooded, have backbones, vertebrates, are upright on two legs, lay eggs, and have feathers. In fact, they are the only animal to have feathers. Feathers help birds fly and regulate their body temperature. Most birds can fly, except a small few, such as penguins, kiwis, ostriches, emus, and cassowaries. The birds that can fly have hollow-like bones to make them weigh less during flight. Bird beaks come in a variety of shapes and sizes, reflective of their diets. Some eat meat, while others eat seeds, fruits, nuts, nectar, or fish. Birds do not have teeth. Birds are closely related to reptiles and are believed to have descended from dinosaurs, specifically two-legged dinosaurs called theropods, which included Tyrannosaurus rex. The largest living bird in the world is the ostrich. The smallest is a variety of hummingbird. Now, there are 4 questions that you are going to answer. Number 1, why are bird bones hollow? And feel free to pause the video after each question just to give you more time to write down your answer. Number 2, explain why having feathers help to regulate a bird's body temperature. Number 3, what similarities do birds and reptiles share? And number 4, think of a specific bird species. Describe its beak shape and size, and explain a logical reason for it. Okay, leave your answers down below in the comment section, and I will get back to you. All right, shalom.